we have now learned as well, having been able to send down divers. Cabinet asked for the divers to go in. They were only able to go in at 10 o'clock this morning to be able to look at the outfall on the south coast of the island. And in fact, mercifully, when we took decisions to put the outfall there, we put an 8-inch pipe and a 12-inch pipe. The 8-inch pipe does have a break beyond the reef, and the 12-inch pipe and the 8-inch pipe are both floating. And we've given instructions for both of those to be anchored on the seabed again, with the anchor blocks that would have secured them for the last 3-4 years. And that is being done, the arrangements for that are being done as we speak. Regrettably, the boat that would normally carry out the anchor blocks was also destroyed in the hurricane. And to that extent, therefore, it has complicated matters a little bit, but we are satisfied that those repairs can take place. We have the 4 lengths of pipe that are needed, we have the anchor blocks that are needed, and we have the fittings that are needed to be able to hold it down. And as we speak, that is being dealt with for the avoidance of doubt, and so that we take no risk whatsoever. We have asked that EPD go and test the water, but even before EPD brings back the result, I've taken the precaution of asking that Worthing Beach be closed temporarily until such time as we can have that part of the pipe fixed.